Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you some useful and hidden tips in iOS 26. I'll cover Safari tricks, missed call reminders and cool features in Files app like customizing folders, adding colors to the folder, opening files with different tabs. Normally, to view all your open tabs, you tap on three dots next to the address bar and select all tabs. But here is a quicker way. Just double tap on the three dots and it will instantly open all your tabs. Another easy way to open all tabs, simply swipe up address bar and Safari will open all your open tabs right away. If you wanted to close a multiple tabs or a selected tabs, tap on the three dots at the top left corner, choose select tabs option, then select tabs you wanted to close. Finally, tap close option and you can also organize your open tabs neatly. How it is? Here you go. Tap on three dots and select arrange tabs by. You will get a two options. Arrange by title or arrange by website. Choose what works best for you and Safari will automatically organize all your tabs. To duplicate a tab, just long press on the tab you wanted to copy. You will see an option called duplicate tab. Tap on it and a duplicate tab will be created instantly. You can also switch between the new and old phone app views in iOS 26. Just tap on the three lines at top right corner of the screen. This will open a options menu. From there, select a classic to get a old style phone app layout or choose a unified to see the new iOS phone app design. On the missed call number, you will see two options, remind me and delete. Tap on remind me and you will get a few predefined choices like remind me in an hour, remind me tonight, remind me tomorrow, remind me later. If you choose remind me later, it will open a new reminder screen where you can set a custom date and time. You can even make it a repeating reminder if you need. Once you are done, tap on blue tick at top right corner to save it. That's it. You will now get a reminder to call back the person you missed. One more useful feature in Files app, you can now add a special symbols or icons to your folders. Perfect for making something like a downloads folder or an informative folder. To do this, press and hold on the folder you wanted to customize. From the options, select Customize Folder and Tags. On the next screen, choose the icon that best fits your folder. Then tap on blue tick mark at top right corner to save it. This helps you organize your files visually and find what you need more quickly. Also, you can change the color of your folders in the Files app. After selecting Customize Folder and Tags, tap on Tags option. This will take to you the Add Tags screen. Here, you can pick a color for your folder. You even have the option to select multiple colors for the same folder, making it easier to organize. Another useful feature in the Files app is the Open with option. To use it, press and hold on the file you wanted to open. From the menu that appears, select Open with. You will then see a list of apps that supports that file type, whether it's a document, PDF, image or MP3. So you can choose the app you wanted to open it with.
Thank you for watching this video.